Girls, are you fighting over the letter L again? What? No, you're not climb on, Shisha. Oh, Carolyn. We share the letter. We can share it. Yes, we can. Hi, Collins. Hi, Carolyn. Why was that letter so important that you could not share it? Why was it so important? Oh, you girls gonna come get me? Oh, they gonna come get me. Uh-oh. They gonna come get me. Help! They gonna get me. They gonna get me. Hi, big girl. Hi, darling. Hi, darling. Yes, you're sweet. You're very sweet.